What's up everybody, it's me Robin from RPN Solutions. If you need any kind of website, you may contact with us. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make 301 and 302 redirection on your WordPress website. If you want to learn how I have made this website under 20 minutes, then we have a tutorial, you can check it out. I will keep the video link in the descriptions. This is our tutorial how I have made this website under 20 minutes. So I hope you will see that video also. And please subscribe our channel because your subscription is our inspiration. If you subscribe our channel, we will get more inspiration to make more useful tutorials. To make 301 and 302 redirections, go to your WordPress dashboard and we are going to use a plugin. So plugins to add new. We are going to use Easy Redirect Manager. This is our plugin 301 Redirects Easy Redirect Manager by Web Factory Limited. And all our 5-star review, 100,000 plus active installations. So this is a really awesome plugin and last updated 2 days ago. Close your eyes and use this plugin for redirect. So click on install now. After installing, click on activate. Plugin has been activated successfully, and after activating the plugin, you can see here and you can click on manage redirects, or you can go to settings to 301 redirects. So click on here. If you want pro version, then you can purchase it from here, but for now the free version is okay for us, so we don't need that. And your SEO will be totally okay in this redirection. So this is really very SEO friendly and very useful for SEO of any website. Now we are going to open a post. Go to post, open in new tab, and suppose this is our post we are going to redirect. So this is our post. Now we want when someone will type this URL or visit this URL, the visitor will be redirected to this post. So if I visit this URL, this will redirect to this post. So we are going to make this redirection. So go to your WordPress dashboard again, and from here you can see some options: 301 redirect, 302 and 307. 301 redirect means if you want permanently redirection, then you have to use 301. If you want temporarily redirect, then you have to choose 301, 302 or 307. So for now, suppose we are going to redirection on this post. So open this post again and copy this slug. This slug you have to copy and paste here. And here you will see some options: custom options, post option, page, media and term archive. This is really awesome feature which will not give to you another plugins. So if you want to set custom URL, suppose we are going to link up our YouTube channel. So this link, when someone will open this post or when someone will try to open this post, then it will redirect to our YouTube channel. So reload this post, then can you see it's redirected to our YouTube channel. So this is the thing you can do with custom. If you want to change the option custom to post, you can select any post. You will see here all posts, and you can set this as custom also. Suppose when someone click on this post, let me show you, hold on. Now you can do for this post text alignment, markup text alignment. So copy this slack, and suppose if someone try to open this post, they will redirect to this page, sorry, to this post. So copy the URL and paste here and save. And now you don't want this post permanently, that's why you want 301 redirection, and you want to redirect to a new post, and the post this one. So now reload this post. You don't want this post right now, so reload this and check it's redirected to our new posts. So this is the way you can make redirection on any posts or on any pages or any media. You can do it really very easily. So please make sure you have subscribed our channel, because your subscription will help us to grow our WordPress community more faster. Thank you.